Chapter 9. Simple interest and compound interest. Principal. The money which is borrowed is called the principal. Interest. The extra money paid for the use of principal is called interest. Rate percent per annum. Interest charged on every ₹100 for 1 year is called rate percent per annum. Time. The period for which the money is borrowed. Amount. The total money paid after the expiry of the time. This includes principal as well as the interest. Some formulae for simple interest. SI, that is simple interest, is equal to P into R into T. Amount is equal to principal plus SI. Rate is equal to SI upon principal into time. Time is equal to SI upon principal into rate. Principal is equal to SI upon time into rate. P stands for principal, R stands for rate percent, T stands for time period. For example, a man borrowed ₹12,000 from a bank at the rate of 8% per annum for 2.5 years. Find the simple interest, the amount. Here, principal is ₹12,000, rate is 8% per annum, time is 2.5 years. Now, SI is equal to P into R into T. That is 12,000 into 8 by 100 into 5 by 2. That amounts to ₹2,400. Simple interest therefore is ₹2,400. Now, amount, which is the sum of principal and simple interest, will come out to be 12,000 plus 2,400. That is 14,400. Compound interest. Conversion period. The period after which the interest is credited is called the conversion period. Compound interest. When the interest after every conversion period is added to the principal and interest for the next conversion period is calculated on that sum, it is termed as compound interest. Formula for compound interest. A is equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n, where A is amount, P is principal, R is rate per conversion period, N is number of conversion periods. For example, a man borrowed ₹10,000 at the rate of 10% per annum for 4 years. Compounded annually. Find number 1, the amount paid by him to clear the debt. B, the total interest paid. Here A is equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n, which is equal to ₹10,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 4, which upon calculation gives 14641. Total interest paid is amount minus principal, which is 14641 minus 10,000, that is 4,641.